Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. So today I want to touch one topic which is called success. So first let understand what we are doing in terms of getting success in the social value. Success and failure both is a really very stupid idea. If you see what is success, a man who don't have food, who don't have the surety of the next meal, for him the next meal is success. For a wealthy man, more wealth is the success. Success is only the social things. There is no existential reality of success. If you see, in the name of the success, we are really doing any kind of horrible and many things in this world. Really, these success, what we call in terms of ideas, opinion, vision, thinking, or anything, this is all even not even ours. It's all picks from societies or anything or anyone. This is not even ours. You see, the way we are going right now, we are just picking anything from anyone and we think that this is success, this is happening this way, this is success. We live in the horizon of comparison. We think he achieved this, we never terms our success in our way. This is the most horrible things, and in the name of the success we create society or anything, and these things just killing us. We create society or anything to enhance our life, not to killing us by stress, tension, or anxiety. So what you call success? Success, you can say, is these things that you can able to express the way you want to express it. That's called success. The way you want to design your life, you can design it that way. That's called success. Before invest your life in something, just sit alone and think what it is that your life is worthwhile to invest. It is a worthwhile life, right? This is a very precious and most important things. So before investing this anything, think what is the most important and worthwhile. If you think, look back down the years of 30, 40, or 50 years, then you must be proud. What is that thing that still after investing 30, 40, 50 years, this will be very worthwhile to you? Invest only in that. Don't term your success in terms of society, in terms of anything. Don't terms your success or mold your success how the society wants. Make your success the way you want it to happen, because this is the worthwhile life. A farmer who is doing good farming, he is successful. A fisherman who is doing caught fish in a good way, he is successful. Anyone, don't success measure success by in terms of volume of money or anything in this world, because this will come and go. Don't do anything for money. Don't measure success by money. That any person who gathers, if success can bring happiness, then the person who have the most acquired wealth, he or she can be the most successful. But the reality is not that. But the problem of human life is our life not our life is not live in a defined boundary. Like the other creature live their life in a defined boundary of born, eating and sleeping and reproduction and death. Our life is, to bottom line is fixed, but there is no such things as top line. So just invest your life what you think that it is worthwhile. Don't design your success the way society wants you to happen. You must make yourself happen the way you want. And success is many things. Like if you feed 5 or 10 dogs, that is success. If you bring smile in others face, that is success. If you help a depressed person, that is success. Success not means that gathering this kind of wealth or something, because this is a money will comes and go. But what will not come is the times that fast and the energy that you have invested in something. So this is the most important thing right now. The society and the whole, we are going that we are going like a circle. We don't think what is this, we just do everything, the everything the society want us. Our thinking, ideas, opinion, vision, it is we pick up from the society, it is not even ours. Sit and think that this is not even ours. So just do what really matters to you. That is success. No matter how far you can go, but we can strive our best. No matter whatever we however journey we can make, but we will go, we will strive our best, we will do according to the best of our ability and potentiality. We learn and grow. So that is success. There is no other things as success and failure. So I hope you will make and design your life the way you want it to be happen. That's success. So that's it from today's video. I hope this brings some value. So at the end I will say, stay healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. Love you so much, my joyful friend. Thank you so much. Namaskar.